Alright, as y'all can see, we just got through putting about a half a bottle of water in. Now since it's draining down like this, I want to go ahead and quickly put my about a half a bottle of antifreeze in until it fills up. And that starts your 50-50 mixture on filling it. And once the thermostat closes, it will rise up, it'll go through the funnel, and it'll start doing the burping process. And you may have to do this a few more times to get everything out. Okay, now y'all notice that going back down. Until it went back down. Once it goes down just a little bit further, I'll go ahead and put in about this much more water and then add about the same amount of antifreeze.